Good morning.
Hey, John. Good morning. How are you today?
I'm doing okay. A little sleepy, to be honest. I woke up early.
Oh, no, that's the worst. Did you have coffee?
Yes, one big cup. It helped a little.
Same here. I need coffee to talk to people.
Yeah, speaking of talking to people, today at work I have to talk to my boss.
Oh, talking to your boss. That can be scary.
Very scary. Even after many years, I still feel nervous.
Me too. You're not alone. I still get nervous every time.
Really?
Yes, every single time.
That makes me feel better.
Good. You should feel better. Bosses are just people, but still.
Yeah, they're people, but important people.
Exactly. And today we're talking about talking to your boss, right?
Yes, perfect topic.
Great. Let's do it slowly, like we're really teaching beginners.
Sounds good?
Oh, wait. Let's introduce ourselves first.
Oh, right. Good idea.
Hi, everyone. My name is Emma. I'm from the USA, and I work in an office.
Hi, everyone. I'm John. I'm also from the USA. I work in a small company.
And today we're talking about talking to your boss.
Yes, a very important skill.
And a very stressful one.
True.
Okay, let's start simple. Imagine you see your boss in the morning. What do you say?
I usually say, good morning.
Yes, simple and polite.
Sometimes I add, how are you?
That's nice. Very friendly.
But not too long, bosses are busy.
Exactly. Keep it short.
Like, good morning, how are you? That's enough.
I agree. One time I talked too much in the morning.
Really? What happened?
I said, good morning, how are you? Did you sleep well? Did you watch the game?
That's a lot.
My boss just smiled and said, I'm late for a meeting.
Oh no.
I learned my lesson that day.
Short is good.
Yes, especially in the morning.
Okay, now let's talk about something harder. Asking your boss for help.
Oof, that's a big one.
Yes, many beginners feel scared to ask.
I did too when I was younger.
What did you say?
I remember very clearly. I said, sorry, can I ask you something?
That's actually very good.
Really?
Yes, it's polite and honest.
That's good to hear.
I usually say, hi, do you have a minute?
Oh, that's a great sentence.
It shows respect for their time.
Exactly. And if they say no?
Then you say, no problem, I can come back later.
Perfect.
One time, I didn't ask, I just started talking.
Oh no.
My boss looked surprised.
I can imagine.
He said, John, I'm on a call.
That's awkward.
Very awkward. I felt my face get hot.
Yeah, that feeling.
But I learned, always ask first.
Good lesson. Okay, what about telling your boss you made a mistake?
Ah, that's the hardest one.
Yes, very hard.
But very important.
I agree. One time I made a big mistake.
What happened?
I sent the wrong email to a client.
Oh, wow.
I felt sick. I didn't want to tell my boss.
I know that feeling.
But I took a deep breath and I went to her office.
Brave.
I said, I need to tell you something. I made a mistake.
That's very clear.
She listened. She wasn't happy, but she helped me fix it.
That's good.
She told me, thank you for telling me quickly.
See, that's important.
Yes, bosses usually want honesty.
Exactly. They don't want surprises later.
So for beginners, simple English is okay.
Yes, you don't need big words.
You can say, I made a mistake. I'm sorry.
That's enough.
And then, how can I fix it?
Perfect sentence.
Okay, let's talk about asking for time off.
Oh, another scary one.
Yes, very scary.
I always feel nervous asking for vacation.
Me too, even when I really need it.
What do you say?
I say, can I talk to you about my schedule?
That's very professional.
Thank you.
I say, I'd like to ask for a day off.
Simple and clear.
One time, I practiced in my head for 1 hour.
Same.
And then the conversation was only 2 minutes.
Yes, that always happens.
My boss said, sure, that's fine.
And you think, why was I so scared?
Exactly.
So true. Now, what about small talk with your boss?
Ah, light conversation.
Yes, not work, just friendly talk.
I think weather is always safe.
Always.
It's really hot today.
Or it's so cold this morning.
One time, my boss talked about his dog.
Oh, that's nice.
I listened and smiled.
That's important. You don't have to talk a lot.
Just listen and respond.
Like, oh really? Or that's nice.
Exactly. Simple English works. So talking to your boss doesn't need to be perfect.
No, not at all.
You don't need big grammar or fancy words.
You just need to be polite and honest.
And calm, even if you're nervous.
Yes, take a breath. It's okay.
Bosses are human too.
They really are.
Sometimes they're nervous too.
That's true.
So what's the takeaway today?
I think it's this. Simple English is enough.
I like that.
Talking to your boss can feel scary.
But it gets easier with practice.
And every conversation helps you grow.
As a worker and as an English speaker.
Exactly.
Thanks for talking with me today, Emma.
Thank you, John. I feel calmer already.
Me too. And to everyone watching,
Don't be afraid to speak.
your English doesn't need to be perfect.
Just be yourself.